Convenience is a very important thing in any room in your house, but especially the busiest one, the kitchen. Look at this great, very convenient faucet from Delta. It has the high arch that a lot of people like because you can fill up those big pans, and it has the single lever that makes it very, very easy to use. And also, you're able to pull this right down. With the touch of a button, it'll change from a steady stream to a spray. Just think how convenient that is to keep things nice and clean. But here's something else that's very unique that makes this really convenient. Think about having a large pot in your hand and you have to sit it down in order to turn it off. Not with this one. You touch it with your arm and it goes right off. You need to turn it back on. You can touch it and it comes right back on. And it knows the difference between grabbing it and moving it from side to side and actually touch it. Hey, this is a pretty smart faucet. But as you might guess, there are an awful lot of faucets at a show like this, and I found another problem solver in the Price Pfister booth. To offer more control in a pull-down spray faucet, they've added a flow adjustment right on the head of the faucet. It also swivels to make cleanup a lot easier. Of course, a faucet needs a sink, and there are tons of cool designs here for those as well. Some of my favorites include this vessel made completely from bamboo and these glass models from Wells Sinkware. Talk about a striking look. Nobody would forget a powder room with one of these in it. Now, the more practical side, one of my favorite solutions is the PermaFlow, which replaces the traditional P-trap. It's clear so that you can check for clogs without removing the trap. And the rotating paddle removes any buildup you may have in the P-trap and makes retrieving dropped items an easy chore.